Are you getting content in Instagram that you do not want to see? Let me show you some things that you can do to impact the content that you see on Instagram. First of all, if Instagram puts a post out in front of you, let me see if I can find one. I may not be able to find one. And it asks you, are you interested, yes or no? Then answer the question. If it's of no interest to you, tell the system it's of no interest to you. Additionally, if Instagram puts content in front of you that you don't want to see, click the three dots, and then you can say not interested. Right there, not interested. Additionally, you can click on the image in the bottom right hand corner of the profile head, and then in the upper right hand corner, click on the three bars, and this will take you to settings and activity. In settings and activity, scroll down and find what you see and go to content preferences. This is really important. In content preferences, you can see what you've marked as interested and what you've marked as not interested in. You can add specific words. So you can put words, maybe they're people's names, maybe they're company names, maybe they're, very deliberate words that you don't want to see. And you can any words you put in here, Instagram will hide suggested posts with hashtags or captions that have those specific words, phrases, or emojis. You can also say, I want less standard or more sensitive content. You can also say under political content, I want less standard or more. So you can minimize or control how much political content you see. Political content often refers to government elections or social topics that affect many people. If an account you follow shares political content, it will be shown in your feed, even if you mark it you don't want to see political content here. You can go to snooze suggested posts and feeds. This is really good. So for 30 days, I can tell Instagram to stop showing me suggested posts. And the last option under content preferences is reset suggested content. If you click on that, we suggest posts and reels and other content based on factors like who you follow and your activity. You can reset to see something new. And so if I reset it, you'll see suggestions about topics that may be different from what you usually see. Resets can't be undone, but your suggestions will become more personalized again as you share, like, and interact with posts. Resetting won't change who you follow or your ad topics. You can choose to update those before you reset. And lastly, this won't delete your data. We'll still use it to personalize your experience in other ways for the purposes explained in our privacy policy. I can hit next. Before you resetting, review who you follow and your ad topics. So I can look at all the accounts I follow. I can look at most shown in the feed is based on certain people. And I can choose and adjust my ad topics. And then boom, reset suggested content. Again, under settings and activity, go to content preferences. Under content preferences, look and see what you've selected as interested in, not interested in. Put specific words to control what content is shown to you under suggestions. I can change the amount of sensitive or political content I see. I can snooze suggested posts. And lastly, I can reset suggested content. Absolutely worthy of doing to impact what you see in your Instagram newsfeed.